Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by picking the voice change app or device and connecting your mic. Do it now. Once connected, grant microphone and audio routing permissions so the system can capture clean input. Make sure to set input gain low to avoid clipping, then increase output to taste. If using virtual audio cables, route the app output into your calling software. Once done, speak a short phrase to confirm signal path and record a quick test for quality. Now you shape the voice. Pick a preset close to your target, then adjust pitch and formants to change perceived gender, age, or tone. Move modulation depth slowly. High values make robotic results, while small changes add subtle realism. Apply reverb or EQ only as needed, because too much will sound fake on calls. Make sure you monitor with headphones and watch the meter for pops or clipping. If levels spike, reduce gain and reevaluate. Finish by selecting the virtual input from your voice changer as the microphone inside the calling app. This makes your altered voice transmit. Initiate a private test call to a friend or a secondary account and listen back to a recording so you can judge naturalness. If latency or glitches appear, lower buffer size or switch sample rate. Make sure no other apps capture the mic. One key troubleshooting tip: if the app sends original voice, reopen permissions and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.